Tornado warning.
Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Inola, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Shodo, Inola, Locust Grove, Salina, Sportsman Acres Community, Maisie, Murphy, Snowdale State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.